Today, I want to introduce you to my newest listing and your perfect home. Nestled in a family-friendly neighborhood, this N-unit townhome offers an exceptional living experience. Let's check it out. This charming home is situated in a welcoming neighborhood where friendly neighbors and spontaneous neighborhood events create a sense of community. And I know we're just stepping into summer, but come fall, you won't find a better place for trick-or-treating. Nature lovers rejoice. This home backs directly onto Desjardins Park, providing a peaceful and picturesque backdrop. Imagine spending quality time with your loved ones amidst the beauty of nature right in your own backyard. Convenience is at your fingertips. Within a short distance, you'll find top-rated schools, fantastic shopping, and the stunning Bronte Creek Provincial Park to explore. Everything you need is just a stone's throw away.
But won't you stay?
Step inside, and you'll be greeted by the warm and inviting main floor with its large living and dining room and bright sunlit kitchen. This home boasts 3 bedrooms, offering ample space for your growing family. The 2.5 beautifully designed bathrooms ensure that everyone has their own space to get ready, making those busy mornings a breeze.
Just tell me you meet me there alone.
Need some extra space for relaxation and entertainment? The finished basement's your perfect retreat. Create a cozy family room or set up a game corner. The possibilities are endless.
The other side.
Step outside and you'll find a lovely backyard that's just waiting for your personal touch. Whether you envision hosting summer barbecues or creating a tranquil outdoor oasis, this space is yours to make memories in. There you have it. This beautiful home has everything your growing family needs and more. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make it your dream home. If you're interested in setting up a showing or for more information, visit silvercreekdrive.com.